We're going to be watching episodes 10 and 11. Okay, well, at least Aki's okay. I wasn't sure there for a while because, you know, he had his entire stomach ripped open. At least Denji and Power's there for, like, support, I think. Just you guys. Just you guys and Kobeni.
小紅ってチビとメガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけど、公安辞めたんだと。
Yeah.
俺とパワコはマキマさんに呼ばれてるから帰るぜ。
Powie? That's adorable.
リンゴ、一個だけ残しといてやるよ。じゃあな。
Oh, that's nice. Oh, poor Aki. Oh, God. Is he gonna have a meltdown? How much time do I have left? Oh, God. That is so creepy. 2 years? He can't use that sword again. He has to find another contract or something. Yeah? They really put the budget on that. Oh, Aki. That's terrible. Yup. Meltdown. Here we go. And Denji's just listening in.
漫画取りに戻ったら泣いてんだけど。まあそりゃ泣くよな。大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし。パワーが死んだら泣けるか。泣けねえかな。
Doubt it.
あいつが
Ooh.
死んだら。
I mean, I'm sure she wouldn't cry for you either.
マキマさんが死んだら。多分俺はしばらくへこむけど、3日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてると思う。
3 days. Oh, God.
朝昼晩食って寝て風呂入れりゃ
I mean,
俺最高だもん。
It makes sense. He's never really had like a super
心
emotional.
臓だけじゃなく、人の心までなくなっちまったのか。
That could be a reason also. Because his heart is replaced by a devil, right, Pachita?
失礼します。
どうも。あれ、泣いてた。
私たちマキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
Coach special division.
そのリンゴ食べていいですか。
ホテル事件と今回のでデンジ君が敵勢力に狙われていることが分かった。
But why are they after Denji? Why are they after his
だから4課を
heart?
強化しようと思ったんだけど。
Is that Himeno's grave? Or is that someone else's? I don't know. There's so many graves, and they all look the same.
彼の名前は
There are literally so many.
黙れ。俺の質問に答えろ。仲間が死んでどう思った？
別に。
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐して。
Jesus.
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも
Verily.
お前たちは
Oh
人
my
と悪
god.
魔どっ
I
ちの
love
味
him so
方だ？
much. Which side are you on?
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
You know what? At least they're honest.
お前たち100点だ。
Get full points. Oh my god.
お前たちみたいのはめったにいない。素晴らしい。大好きだ。
Oh god. Why is the music starting up?
怖い。じゃああとはよろしく。
マキマさん。
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。
Special Division 1.
先生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んで
Teacher.
くれ。
Okay.
好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
Straightforward. That's good. Did he just break something? Oh my god. What the flip? Well, this is a great first impression.
たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。
You're
首
biologically
の
the
骨
same.
を俺は動けなくな
They.
る。
Oh my god. That's what that crack was.
血の匂いじゃ。
Oh my. Oh wow.
ちくしょう。何しやがる、てめえ。
マキメにお前たちを鍛えてくれと頼まれた。
These two specifically.
お前の心臓がなぜか知らんが、銃の悪魔に狙われている。
Yeah, it's very
なのにお
interesting
前が簡単
as
に
to
やら
why
れる
the
雑魚
gun
だ
devil
から困っ
wants
てん
his
だろう
heart.
な。俺は最強のデビルハンタ
The
ーだ。
best of all hunter.
最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわ
Strongest
けだから。
devil. Really? And that's not just boasting. He really is like the strongest devil hunter.
酔ったじじいでも殺しちまったら逮捕だぜ。
デンジ
Oh no, I don't think this is gonna go well. Oh god! They stand no chance. It's completely over. Holy crap! Oh, power. Oh, did he just slice the neck open or something? Oh god.
男の方は不死身。魔人の方は半分不死身。
Which means that he can do whatever he wants with them.
だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。俺がお前たちを最高に生かした奴らにしてやるよ。
コン。
Oh no.
ほら、出てけえへんやろ。
A no-show.
君は狐を無茶に使って
He's mad at you for having it
もう
bit
二
off
度と
too
狐は
much.
使わせてもらえへんやろうね。
What a petty devil.
不謹慎やけど、今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど、
He's not gonna do
実
that.
際君の課の人が一人民間
He
に
has too many goals and now he has more enemies.
家族を殺したやつも、バディを殺したやつも、まだ生きてる。
Yeah. No way he's quitting.
なのになんでやめれるんですか。
Jesus. The look in his eyes. Is he okay? What is happening? What is going on?
また頭がこしておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ
Oh my god! And he's back. Okay, well,
今日何回殺された。
yeah, that can't be good.
20回以上じゃ。
Times.
うぬが死
That's definitely not good for someone's psyche.
わかった。あいつを倒す方法じゃ。
Oh,
あい
Power
つ
has
は
a
超
plan?
強いが。じゃが、酒で頭がダメになっておる。
Oh no.
わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
Use our
なる
head.
ほどな。
Oh
俺も
no.
最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。漫画とかの頭いいキャラ見
One
て
of
戦
those
え
smart
たらいいなっ
characters
て
in
よ。
manga. They're gonna pull an Aizen.
この血の匂いは
Power?
アルチュージジ。
俺たちの日常を壊すやつは死だ。
They put on glasses. And I guess that added 20 points to their intelligence. Oh, is that a spear? He dodged. Oh my god, this
死の
man.
武器か。
He's insane. No way. You know what? That was actually so smart, but it doesn't matter because he's too good. Oh, Denji. Oh, Jesus! He just roundhouse kicked him. Oh no, he lost all of his intelligence. His glasses are gone.
今までで一番良かったぞ。
You know what? Yeah, that was a really good effort. That was actually really smart. I'm sorry I doubted you guys.
パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧
Anemic.
血に。
Really? That's good
デ
to
ンジ
know.
が俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。
Let's call it a day. Oh no. You little liar!
獣が狩人
You
の
shouldn't
言葉
trust
を信
anything
用する
I
な。
understand. You little mongrel. By the way, if you hear any noise, that's my dog sleeping.
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは
Strong
結構
devil.
むごい契約内容になると思いますけど
Demanding contract. Where are they? Oh, is this where they keep devils?
ここには
To make contracts? Yeah.
ぶち込まれてるこの部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます
What kind of devil is it?
イルンは未来の悪魔
The future devil.
公安でこいつと契約している人は2人
Two people
1
have
人は
contracts.
寿命半分
Half their
もう1人は
lifespan.
両目と味
Both
覚
their eyes
嗅
and
覚
their
を差し出しています
senses. Aki can't give up any more of his lifespan because he's already given up more than well over a half. He could probably live without the taste and smell, but still. Oh god, this is gonna be awful. Hi, eyeball. Is it just a floating eye? Is that seriously? What the heck? What is he gonna? That is definitely.
Psycho! Mirai! Psycho! Mirai! Psycho!
Is that the deer thing in the opening that's doing that like insane dance? Okay, here we go. It is. It literally is. I thought it was just like a thing that they made for the opening. I didn't realize it was a real character.
Yay! Yay! Mirai! Psycho!
Oh great, he's insane. He'll fit right in.
俺はお前と契約をしに来た
過去最悪な態度だぞお前はいお
Oh
前の
my
未来の
god.
店だ
Let's take a peek at the
未来次第で契約内容は考えるぜ早くお腹に頭を突っ込めじゃなきゃ
in
未来が
your
見えないだろ
guts. Oh god, I hope this isn't a trap. His future is very short because he only has, you know. Oh, this is so weird. Oh, this is really, really weird. I'm gonna live inside your right eye.
そうすればお前の力
I
にな
can
ってやる
lend you my power.
それだけでいいのかって顔だななぜならお前は
Oh,
未来
whoa.
で最
His
悪な
eyes.
死に方をする
Your death? Oh my
どう
god.
いう死に方をするか聞きたいかお前
言わ
は
なくてもいい
Doesn't matter.
自分の死に方には興味ない
Oh
俺は
wow.
俺が殺したい奴を殺せればあとはどうなってもいいさっさと目に入れ
What kind of powers does the future devil give, though? Like, if somebody attacks, he'll be able to see it or something? Like, he gets premonitions?
指導を
Well,
加えて明日
at
に
least
実
they're
践
learning, right?
実践
姫野たちを殺した侍ソードとヘビ
The
女
snake
俺たち
devil.
全員で捕まえに
Oh, okay.
新四課のお披露目式だその作戦で失敗したら四課は終わりそうなりゃお前たちは処分されて俺とマジバトルだ
Well, that's just great.
これからもデンジ君とパワーちゃんをよろしくお願いします
We'll see.
俺もあいつら嫌な
I'm sick of them already.
おもちゃなら壊れても罪悪感はないと思ってた
Happened
が
to a pair of toys.
この年になるとボケてきておもちゃにも情報
Really? Oh, wow. That's actually very surprising. I would think he wouldn't get attached at all.
今回の得意か襲撃
Special
公安も
division
バカ
of
じゃないだろ
safety
う
isn't exactly clueless.
お前
You
分かって
knew it
て
was going to
どうしたな
happen and didn't try to stop it.
私も襲撃に遭いましたよ
お前がどんな非道を尽くそうと俺の飼い犬を殺そうと人間様の味方でいる
You
う
can
ちは
as
見
long
逃
as
し
you're
てるよ
serving me.
今回の作戦が成功すれば四課の存在を積極的に報道することになってますそうすれば四課は今より動きやすく
Some
なって
freedom.
より悪魔から人を救える
Oh my, I wonder if that's actually the truth.
嘘つき
You liar. Oh my god. What is Makima's true intentions? These two are just hold up? The boss has got
マキマが生きてる限り日本には逃げれる場所はない
nowhere in Japan.
ここで迎え撃つ準備はしてある静かにしてろ
女は黙れ
お前たちの若の心配はいらない死んでも蘇るからな それよりここに残るなら噛まれないように用心しな。
ここの下には秘密兵器がいる。
A secret weapon.
じいちゃんの置き土産。
Oh my god. The zombie devils?
ゾンビ軍団だ。
Or the zombie fiends or whatever?
ゾンビになる。
Great.
それで4課を終わらせる。
They're gonna have a whole zombie apocalypse. This is insane.
今回得意化を20人ほど殺したやつに君は負けてるのに、世界中の人間をうん百万人殺したやつには勝てるとでも？正直アキ君見てるとムカつくんですわ。弱いくせに漫画の主人公みたいな目標を掲げて、痛くて寒いぼたつわ。ほら、立っとる
Okay.
やろ。
I don't like this man.
あんたは黙って見てればいい。
You can sit back and
俺
watch.
が負けて死んだその時に
Go ahead
笑いに
and...
来てください。じゃなきゃやっていけないのも分かってる
Yeah.
んです。
Yeah. He couldn't continue living without at least trying to avenge his family and friends.
アキ君、君のことムカつくけど応援しとくわ。最後にこの言葉を送る。
He's done nothing to you.
得意化にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
公安のお客さんだ。高い茶よしろ。
Who is
ご
this?
協力ありがとうございます。
Oh
東京で
no.
うちの若い奴らが勝手にドンパ
Your
チやっ
younger
ちまった
guys
みたい
popping
で
off in Tokyo.
何でも答えさせてもらいますよ。私の指示じゃないことも分かってほしいからね。この女を仲介にうちの若いやつが騙されて銃の悪魔と契約しちまったらしい。銃の悪魔に2万円を払う代わりに契約者は銃と弾がもらえるんだとよ。
You can bribe the gun devil with money. Are you kidding me?
組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前をすべてここに書いてもらいます。あなたの組の名前だけでなく他の組の方のもお願いします。
お嬢ちゃん、あんたさ、
Oh
何
no.
も分かってねえ
Not getting the
な。
big
そんな
picture.
こと知ってても告げ口バレたら組同士で戦争が起こっちゃうよ。バカだね。嬢ちゃん、必要悪って
Necessary
言
evil
葉知ってる
before?
かい？
I hate
俺
that
たち
term.
身
I
内
swear
同
to
士で
God.
潰し合ってみな。俺たちも悪さはしてるけどね。中国とかソ連のマフィアの方がよっぽどひどいことしちゃうよ。それを俺たちが防いでるんだ。
Okay. I have a feeling you guys are gonna die.
明日がねじゃ仲間は売れんよ。
これはお金じゃありません。
This isn't money. What's in that bag?
父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
目です。
Their eyes.
目
You're kidding.
安心してください。公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。
Return these
協
safely.
力していただけるのなら、その人を紹介します。
Oh god. Oh my god. What's happening? What the fuck? Did he
あ
just
なたの言う
die?
必要悪というものは、
When you talk about
悪事を
necessary
行う自
evil.
分を正当化する言い。
Oh no. Makima is terrifying. It looks like he still has the sword with him.
作戦はない。得意か全員をビルにぶち込む。得意4課で中にいるテロリストを制圧する。その上でお前たちが注意すべきことは一つだけ。得意4課はほとんどの隊員が人外で構成されている。
Non-humans.
4課の誰かが街に逃げたらテロリストが暴れるよりも被害が大きくなる。
Who are you?
サメの魔人。壁の中へ
A shark
どんな
fiend?
場所でも泳ぐことがで
He
きる。
can
こい
swim?
つは短い間なら悪魔の姿にもなれる。
That's insane.
暴力の魔人。
The violence
本来
devil.
魔人になると悪魔の
Or
時より
fiend,
も
sorry.
弱くなるが、こいつは魔人でも強すぎるから毒が出る仮面をつけさせている。何があってもこいつの仮面は取るな。
The mask stays on.
そこのジョーちゃん逃げた方がいいよ人間が噛まれるとゾンビになっちゃうよ
雲の悪魔感触で人を殺すぞ
Ew, that is disgusting. Has anyone ever played The Forest? If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Who's this?
天使の悪魔
The Angel
こいつは
Devil.
特殊な悪魔で人に敵意がないが近づくな
No enemy.
触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな
ハンカチ持ってない
Oh my god. So contact with her shortens your lifespan. That's crazy.
よく僕に近づけるね触れられたら寿命が
That
短
is
くなるのに
so OP.
布越しだったら大丈夫なんだろう
Oh wow.
ここは魔人たちに任せてサムライソードとヘビ女を探すぞ
あ当てはあんのかよ
ない手分けして探せ
Oh my god. Splitting up is never a good idea. Ooh, way to go, Aki, okay. So he can just use a sword? Or is that not? No, that's a different sword, right? That's not... Makima? Oh. Oh boy.
おとなしく投降し
ヘビ吐き出し
Don't close your eyes. What? Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, Aki. I had... How is this possible?
僕の力を使えばね、君の右目は少し先の未来が見える。
Well, maybe you should have got a different contract. Oh my god.
そのまま締め殺せ
Choking. This isn't good. Remember, Himeno. Remember. This is terrible. Come on. There's no way he's gonna die here. There's no way. There's no way. What kind of cliffhanger flippin' mongrel ending was that? It was awful. I hated that. How is that possible? The snake devil can just spit out things, including other devils, and it will fight for them? That's insane. That is insane. That snake girl is crazy. Makima was absolutely terrifying this episode. In fact, she's been absolutely terrifying the past couple episodes. Like, what is her goal? What is her main objective in doing all of this? Like, she knew that the attack was going to happen, and she let all those people die. Like, was she just trying to weed out the weak and so all the other divisions could combine into one? Like, I don't know, but that's oh my god, it's crazy. And she, oh god, her abilities are so frightening. Like, I don't know what she's fully capable of and how many contracts that she has, but she seems to be able to do so much. Like, physical contact, she just looked at that guy and he died. And then she has the ability to crush people from long distance. Like, what else can she do? I don't know, but the angel devil seems really interesting and really crazy that if you like touch them, your life gets shortened. What is with this show and having your life shortened all the time? Like, come on. Like, if Aki touched her, he wouldn't, I don't know. I don't know what shortening means. It could be like half, or it could be like a day or something, but still. That's crazy, but I hope Aki's gonna be okay in the next episode. He better be okay in the next episode. He's lost too much. He has too much to live for, and he has too many goals to accomplish, so... yeah, there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like if you liked. Please leave a dislike if you dislike, and tell me what I can do better. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every single time I make a video. And I wish each and every single one of you a wonderful day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever you prefer. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!